Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Yasir and you are watching Real Eardroppers. This is the channel where from you can find 100% legit eardrops, and I can bet with you that no other channel will provide such eardrops as early as I provide to you. So in this video we will discuss about a few updates and also we will join few eardroppers. So be with me. First of all the new viewers to my channel, first of all hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to go into my Telegram channel, the link of which I will provide in the description of the video. When you will click on the link that I will provide in the description of the video, it will redirect you to your Telegram, and a channel by name Real Eardroppers will come onto your screen as you are seeing right now. So you simply have to join it. So I have shared recently airdrop from the coin market cap from the FTM, where from you can get $10 of FTM tokens, but it is for random 1,000 people. If you are lucky, so you can get $10 of the FTM tokens. So another airdrop is from XCAD, and you can get $100 Tron tokens. So you simply have to go into the glam.io, and if you are lucky you will get $100. Another airdrop is also for the lucky users. 250 lucky users will be given the Octopus Protocol airdrop, so you can also join it. Another airdrop is from the XWG airdrop, and you have to simply click on it and it will redirect you to the Google form, and you have to submit details there. Another is an update from the coin market cap. As you can see, I have recently shared this airdrop, and the winner list has come here. If you have joined, so you can check if you are among the lucky persons, so you have to claim. Just now you have to click on this link, then you have to scroll down to see if you are lucky. As you can see, it is showing me you didn't win this time. I have not won. You can check if you have won. You can get $20 of the tokens. And another airdrop is from the Hodi.com airdrop, which is very important airdrop. It is a big project, so you have to join it. Simply from the bot you have to click on Hodi bot and fulfill tasks there. As you can see, I have joined this. First comes the captcha, then you have to enter your wallet address and then your Twitter and etc. So you can see there. So this was all about today's updates. I hope you have liked this video. Bye bye, see you next time.